Alright, it's only me. Still down here in Lendalfoot with the dog. Turned a bit driech this morning as things went tits up last night. We ended up with a media blackout. The mobile phone company thought that my data had finished and like cut me off all of a sudden. So I had to phone up the road, tell them to get it done, but he says there's nothing they can do, it's Sunday night, it's shut. So me and the dog were in the wilderness. But it wasn't actually that bad last night. It stayed dry at like 1 night. I sat up to about 3 o'clock in the morning, burning all that wood. I was thinking I'd that much I was maybe going to bring some home, but I ended up just burning it all. Here, watch, Connie. Where do you see this ball? Oh, what a good catch that was. So what I think it's time to do here is just piss out the campfire, light up the house. There were a few disasters last night, you know. I forgot to bring a sleeping bag. That was a bit stupid. Right here. I just let him wrap my jacket around my feet, wasn't it actually that cold anyway. But there's the fire. As you can see here, with this scorched bit on the other side there. The wind caught a couple of times, blew the fire that way, near enough set this on fire. I'm jumping out and I'm like, ho ho, boof, 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 came with the fit. And I had to put that grass out quite a few times. It's just for taking the piss. Right, so I'm out of here, I'm going to go and wrap this up, take this dog home. Hopefully be back to Shire for a half time after dog, eh? Right, get out of here, see you later.